Dear children, we are going to learn some constructions. In the fourth chapter, we have some constructions, construction of quadrilaterals. Before going to that, let us see some basic constructions. You know how to construct a triangle or an angle of measure 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees, etc. Let us see how. First 60 degrees. 60 degree. Draw a line. So to get a 60 degrees, first draw a line on the segment, then measure or draw an arc with this one end point. Draw an arc on the line, and from the same distance draw an arc in the plane also. Same distance, draw an arc in the plane. And now these two distances are equal. And from this point, draw another arc in this manner. The first, third arc cuts the second arc at this point. Now, what do we get? What is the angle made at this point? At this point, it is BA. From A, we draw an arc with radius AB. Radius AB. And then draw an arc in the plane also with the same radius AB. And from B, draw an arc in the plane so that the last arc cuts the second arc. Let this point be C. See, what is the angle made at A? Or what is the measure of AC? What is the measure of AC? Angle BAC, this measure. What is the angle measure of this? If we join BC also like this, then what is the relation among AB, BC and AC? AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. That means ABC is an equilateral triangle. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60. So this measure is 60 degrees. 60 degree. So to draw an angle of 60 degree, first draw a segment and take a convenient distance, any convenient distance from A, and draw an arc. Same arc on the plane, and with the second point draw an arc in the plane so that the last arc cuts the second one. Here through this point, join. Let this point see. Draw a line through AC. Draw a line through AC. This angle is 60 degrees. Now from 60 degrees, how can we draw an angle of 30 degrees? Divide this into two equal parts. If we divide this into two equal parts, we can draw the bisector of this angle. How do you draw the bisector of this angle? For that, from vertex C, draw an arc like this, which cuts both the arms of the angle in this manner. Then, from this point of angle, draw the arc inside. From this point also draw the arc inside. Then draw the line this P. Ray AP divides angle A into two equal parts. These two parts are equal. These two parts are equal. The whole measure is 60. So each measure is 30 degrees. That is angle BAP 30 degrees, angle PAC also 30 degrees. So we know how to construct 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Now 90 degrees. How to construct 90 degrees? Mark A. From this point, draw a with convenient radius. Draw an arc in this manner with the same radius from B. Mark this as B. B from same radius. See AB radius. First draw an arc. 60 we get if we draw a line through this and A, we get 60 degrees. Again draw an arc. Again 60. Total if we draw a line through A and this point, we get this angle A B C. If this is C, B A C equal to 120. Now here 60, here 60. To get 90, 60 plus 30. So draw the bisector of this angle. To draw the bisector of this angle, from this point draw an arc with the same radius, and from this point also draw another arc, and then draw a line. This is the point of intersection of those arcs. Draw a line through this. What is the measure of this angle? Kill here 60 plus 30, because this 60 degree is divided into two equal parts. So 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. 90. Once again, first draw a segment, then from one of the endpoints draw an arc AB. The arc cuts at B. Same radius. Draw first, we get a 60 degree, then again 60 degree. Bisect the second 60 degree, you get 90 degree. So 90. Then 120 degree. How can we construct a 120 degree? Same. Draw a line, then A, mark A. From here, first draw an arc which cuts the first line at B, say the B. From B, draw an arc 60 degree, again 60. This is A, B. This is the point C. Here this is the point C. Then AC. This is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. 60, 60. 120. Now, suppose we want to draw 75 degrees. 75. For 75, 60 plus 50. 75. So, first we can construct a right angle to get the 75. Right angle. Right angle 90 degrees. Right angle. First second to get the second cutting. Second. So here 60 degree, again 60, bisect. Bisect the second 60. We get 90. 90. 90. A, B, C. 90 degrees. So here 60. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30. Divide, bisect this angle. That is this from this to this bisect 30 degree, we get a bisector. From this point draw an arc with the same radius. From this point draw the second arc. This is the point B, point of intersection of the arcs. Join AD. What is the measure of this angle? This is 50, 60, so 75 degrees. 75. So we know how to draw 60, 30, 90, 120 and 75. Now we want to draw 105 degrees. 105. 105 means 90 plus 50. 90 plus 50. So first draw 120 degree. 120 degree. How can we draw 120 degree? First arc, second arc, 120. 60, 120. So 105 means 90 plus 50. 90 plus 50. So 90. Then from here, 60 to get 90. Draw the bisector of this 60, second 60. Draw the bisector second 60. 90. This is 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30, 90. This is 90. Again 30. From this point, this angle is 30. Bisected. How can you draw the bisector? From this point, draw an arc, convenient radius, with the convenient radius. With the same radius, from this point, draw the second arc. From this point, draw first arc. With the same radius, draw the second arc. We get the point of intersection of these two arcs. This is C. D. Draw AD. Draw AD. So this 90 plus 50. Total angle 105 degrees. So we have seen how to draw angle 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees. We can apply this for the construction of quadrilaterals. What are the measures required to construct a triangle? How many measures are required? Either three sides or two sides and one angle, like that. That is, to construct a triangle, we require three measures. For example, suppose we want to draw a triangle of sides 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. First, how can you construct this triangle? 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Any length can be taken as first. If it is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeter, then the other 4 centimeter. First draw 4 centimeter length for AB. 4 centimeters. Second is 6 and 3 centimeters. Measure 6 centimeter in the scale and draw the arc 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then for 3 centimeter is required. We can take this measures from the scale in this manner. If we want 6 centimeter, fix the pointer of the compass on 0, then 6 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So 30, 6 centimeter. Now for 5 centimeters from 0 to 25, 5. Then for take 6 centimeter and then draw the arc from here, A. This arc we get. Then BC 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Here this is the 4 centimeter measure. 4 centimeter. See, right. BC 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters here in the scale 50. 3 centimeter. In this way. Now let us join these points. We get the required triangle ABC. Required triangle ABC. This 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. In this way we can connect. Now let us do. We know that 3 measures are required to construct a triangle. Then how many measures are required to construct a quadrilateral 4-sided polygon? With 4 measures we cannot construct a quadrilateral. So, to construct a quadrilateral, we require at least any 5 measures. 5 measures. At least 5 measures are required to construct a quadrilateral. In this practical geometry, we are going to construct different types of quadrilaterals with different 5 measures. For example, 4 sides and 1 diagonal, 5 measures. With all 4 sides we cannot construct a quadrilateral. With 3 measures we can construct a triangle. But for a quadrilateral 5 measures are required. Either 4 sides and 1 diagonal, or 3 sides and 2 diagonals, or 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides, like that. That we will study all this in detail. Now first let us consider how to construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Case 1, first case 1. Construction of quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. 4 sides. For example, construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS with the PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeters, RS 5 centimeter, PS 5.5 centimeter, and PR 7 centimeters. Construct quadrilateral PQRs. So to get an idea how to construct, we have first to draw a rough figure with the given measures and mark the measures. Quadrilateral 4-sided polygon. So let us draw a rough figure. Let it be PQRs. First, because this rough figure helps us which measure or which side or which angle we must take to first for our convenience. So a rough figure is also a part of the construction. So in the first step, drawing a rough figure PQRs and measure the mark the measurements. PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, PS 5.5. PR 7. One diagonal is given. Length of PR is given 7. 7. Now see, this diagram we have all the four sides 4, 6, 5 and 5.5 and the length of the diagonal. Now look at the rough figure. How can we draw the construct the fair figure? See, this diagonal divides a quadrilateral into two triangles. We know how to construct a triangle. So we can construct this as fair figure. First we can draw PR 7 centimeters. Then either construct a triangle PQR first by drawing the arc of 4 centimeters from P and 6 centimeters from R. The point of intersection of the arcs will be Q. We get one triangle, and after that we can construct the second triangle. So these two triangles make to the required quadrilateral PQRs. So first we can draw PR 7 centimeters. Diagonal first. PR. Then PQ 6 centimeter, PQ 4 centimeter, RQ 6 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter. PS 5.5. Then PQ 4 centimeter. Downwards, PQ 4 centimeter. PR 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Now join P, Q, R, S. Join PQ 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter is the required figure. PQRs is the required quadrilateral. So first, when we are given a construction, first we have to draw the rough figure and then mark the measurements in the rough figure. After that, draw a fair figure and a mark. We can write the steps of construction. First, draw rough figure and mark the measurements. Then step 1. Step 2, construct a triangle PQR. First draw PR, then construct a triangle PQR. Then construct a triangle PRs. Join PQ, RQ, RS, PS. So all these are given in detail in your textbook. So go through it, read these steps of construction carefully and try to understand. Read textbook pages 57 to 60 and study carefully the steps of construction, how they are written, and then do exercise 4.1 all questions. In 4.1, one question is to construct rhombus BEST. Rhombus BEST. What is a rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. So the construction can be done. First and second quadrilateral, that you can do. Fourth one, rhombus BEST. First draw the rough figure of BEST, rhombus BEST, and given that BE equal to 4.5, ST equal to 6 centimeter. Sorry, TS equal to TE equal to 6 centimeter. Then how will you construct this? We can make use of the property of the rhombus. All the sides are equal. So when one diagonal and one side is given, first draw BE 4.5, BE 4.5. Then what 4.5? What is the second side? Second side also 4.5. So we can draw the 4.5. Second side also 4.5. Opposite, all the sides are equal. Then diagonal 6. Diagonal 6. So measure from E, draw the 6 centimeter. From this point, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Now BE 4.5, the same 4.5, 6 centimeter. 6. Then complete it by drawing the, then again take 4.5 arc side, complete it. From here, measure 4.5. Then from here also 4.5. Because all the sides of the rhombus are equal. All the sides are equal. BEST. This also 4.5. Then another question, the third question is parallelogram. Parallelogram. So first draw the rough figure. Parallelogram MORE, in which in parallelogram MORE, given that MORE side RO 6 centimeter, side ER 4.5, EO 7.5. Here 7.5 diagonal. So first we can draw EO 7.5, EO 7.5. EO. Then opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So what is the measure of this? Also 4.5. This also 6. 6. These two are equal. These two are equal. So we can construct a triangle. 7.5, 6, 4.5. 6 and 4.5 sides. Then 6, 4.5. From M, from O 6 centimeter. O 6. 4.5. O R from O. 7.5. E 4.5. E 4.5. 4.5. This is 6. Now we got the one triangle. Got to one triangle. Draw the second triangle here. Opposite sides are equal. EOR. Then EM. Opposite sides force. This is 6 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 4.5 ER. 4.5 centimeter ER. 4.5 MO. Here MO 4.5. Opposite sides are equal. 4.5. Then ER. M join 4.5 6 MORE. This is the required parallelogram. So do all these questions in this manner.